Hi, I'm Alfred Mason, and I just want to take this opportunity to say to each and every one of you to have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Christmas is a time for family, a time for us to get together and celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. And at this time of the season, it's just important just to say thank you for allowing me to serve this great community, to say thank you for giving me an opportunity in the future to possibly be the next mayor of Augusta Richmond County. And Christmas is a time to reflect and just to be very, very grateful for what we have been given on this earth. And so today, I just want to say a very heartfelt, very Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. And may God bless you, may God bless your family, and a very Happy New Year to each and every one of you, and a prosperous New Year. So from the Mason family and from Team Mason and Mason for Mayor, we say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.